Cindy, one of your hosts from Teens View, and today we're going to be talking about something very tragic, which is bullying. Did you know that 1 out of 3 teenagers commit suicide due to bullying? And also, 2 out of 3 teenagers know about someone being bullied? According to StopBullying.gov, more than 7,000 individuals have committed suicide due to bullying, and 80% of those were males. That was pretty shocking to me too. If you have any questions or if you're thinking about committing suicide, you can just call our hotline 1-800-273-TALK. And remember, the number is 1-800-273-8255. And remember, I'm Cindy Lopez, your host from Teens View, and always remember that we do care.
Hi, this is Charles Aloma. This is LDM Magazine News, affiliated with Team View, and this is Behind the Music today with the Hip Hop Mama's Kitchen, all day in Hustlers College, Bronx, New York, bringing you the best in New York. This is the only time you can see it. They say New York is made of stars. Well, today we will find them all here today. And we have two of the great, beautiful hostess today showing. You say, pronounce your name?
My name is Latere.
And my name is Kathleen Adams.
Latere, Spanish, right?
Yes, Boricua.
African American.
Wow, you see what I'm saying? This is a melting pot of New York City. So tell me a little bit about how everything came about. I know this is the 6th time that we...
Seven.
Seven, wow.
But 6 at Hostess.
Yes, exactly.
6 at Hostess and 7 times that they've been performing. Tell me, what got you started doing these things?
So I'm an MC, and I was every time I was backstage in these hip hop shows, it was all men, and I would be confused or they would ask me if I was the manager of the group, and I'm like, no, I'm an MC. And then also when other women would come backstage, there was kind of like this weird energy of competition, and so that was my whole feeling on we got to do something, because I want to be safe when I perform, especially when there's other women. We should be with each other and support each other and be in sisterhood, because there's not a lot of us in hip hop.
That is so
true. That was kind of like the preface to this. And then Kathleen had some money from an amazing organization and kind of hit me up. And
yeah, we became friends from there. We were kind of just throwing ideas at each other. We're like, let's do something. I was really into music. I still am into music. And we thought 75 people were going to come our first year.
Right.
500 people came, and we're like, oh my God.
There's a need, right? Like there's a need. There's apparently a need for this type of space. And so then we just added vendors and added
more volunteers.
And then because of one of the elders in our community, she introduced us to Wally Edgecombe, which was one of the directors for the art space here in Hostos. And we've been doing it ever since here at Hostos. And so Mama's Hip Hop Kitchen, the name Mama's Hip Hop Kitchen, comes from the space that women usually are in the kitchen.
Talking about issues and ideas.
All of their issues and the things that are happening in their life, whether it's celebration or death or
whatever.
Right.
So basically they say that if you can't take the heat, get out the kitchen. So you got out the kitchen and you came here now.
Brought it here, exactly.
That is a perfect idea. Again, this is LDM with Mama's Hip Hop Kitchen here at Hostos College. This is the first year that LDM is here with Team View, but next year we'll be here again, and we're constantly following the people. Sorry that Team View couldn't be here at the moment to show. They're doing another segment called Girl Talk, so they're over there talking to ballet girls now. And speaking of Girl Talk, is there something that you want to say to any teenager or little girls that are trying to become performers or in any type of situations?
Don't let anyone put you down. You know, you might think that you can't do it, you dance in your bedroom, but once you really go outside, have confidence in yourself, I think that's what Mama's Hip Hop Kitchen is all about. It's about building community, raising the self-esteem of young people, and telling them, yeah, you can have a crowd of 1,000 people come support you because you're amazing. So believe in yourself. If you don't think you get it from home, you got it from us.
Exactly.
Oh.
Yeah, it's all about self-confidence. It's all about trusting what you feel inside, and if you know that when you sing it feels good and it sounds good and people have said things, or when you dance people comment about it, believe it. They're not making it up. This is a gift that you have to share. It's a part of your purpose, so just go for it.
And the last question I have, how can someone join your organization to perform?
mhhk.org. Come on our website. Usually when it's about December or so, we have a listing for applications, or sign up on our newsletter on mhhk.org, and you can be kept abreast of all types of news. Our Facebook, Hip Hop Kitchen, Facebook.com/hiphopkitchen.
Yes,
Okay.
and Twitter at Hip Hop
Hop
Kitchen.
Kitchen.
Instagram at Hip Hop
You're
Kitchen.
hearing it here.
You got it. We're on all the social media, and again, www.mhhk.org.
Good. And if you miss any of that, there is going to be a page just exclusively for Hip Hop Kitchen on LDM Magazine. You just click on Hip Hop Kitchen, and it'll take you to all the information that they just said right now, videos, photos, and even the probably the application. We're going to take a quick break, but when we come back, we are going to talk a little bit more about Girl Talk. I'm a guy, but we're going to have these exclusive little girls, teenagers, performers that you've never seen in your life. They're going to be here. They're actually going to be all over here. There's so many. But anyway, this is LDM Magazine, and this is Charles Aloma, again with the Hip Hop Kitchen. You got to be here. If you're not here this year, you better make sure you're here next year. We're out.